Okay guys, this is a video on how to make your own beauty intro. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Pics Art, and in Pics Art you're going to go and find a background. So you're going to go to the add button, type in what kind of background you want. I just put in neon because it just has some cool stuff in neon. And I just went scrolling and we found one that I thought was cool. So what I did was I just went to add one of my photos to, you know, make it look not so plain. I want to add a photo of me. Okay, after you add a photo, you just you want to go in and crop out the background. And in Pics Art it's pretty easy. You could do it in Pics Art, or if you have one that already doesn't have a background, then use that, but I just use Pics Art to do it. And I just outline what I did want outside of what I didn't want. Okay, and then after that I just went through and cleaned up what they didn't catch. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in and play with it a little bit to see what kind of things that I like. Right now I'm just playing with the blend and to see if I want to blend the background pretty much with my picture. I found one that I like. It looked kind of cool, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna choose that. Make my picture a little bigger, you know. Now that I'm done with that, I'm gonna go and save it to my camera roll. And since I didn't save the actual plain picture, now I have to go back and find the picture again and save it separately. But what you should do is go and save the picture first, the plain picture first, and then go and edit and save that one second. It just makes it easier. Now I'm gonna go in to iMovie and create a new movie and pick the pictures that I had. It's okay to add both pictures. You don't have to do it separate. Just go ahead and add both pictures. Now we're going to go in and make sure that you turn off disable Ken's burns, because it's going to make the picture float across the screen, and we don't want that. We want it still. Then you want to go in and straighten up both pictures. You want them to be pretty much the same. You want them to transition, you know, perfectly. You don't want it to, one of them be bigger than the other, or one to be off. you want to go and duplicate that first video. Duplicate that and then send it to the back. And look how that transition. Boo. And I just went in and shortened the videos just so I just didn't want it that long. It's not that serious. Okay, now you're gonna go into an app called Funimate, so you want to go and download that. It's a really cool app. If you want all of their effects, it's like $2.99 per week, but I think they have a free trial that you can try. So you want to go and add a video. You go to edit your own video. Go to the video that you just did in iMovie and make sure you click landscape mode. And here's our video. I have the Pro, so I get to add their music as well. Their music is non-copyrighted, but you can also add your own music if it's non-copyrighted. I'm sorry that you guys can't hear the song, but at the end of the video, I'm going to, well, actually you'll be able to see it at the beginning of my video. So the video that I'm posting now, this video will actually have the new intro, so you'll be able to hear the song and everything. So now I'm gonna go in and add some effects. These effects are really cool, and it lets you see what it looks like before you add it. And the way that they do it, you can add them separately, and I'm going to show you in a second what I mean. Like, you can add the different effects. You'll see. See, I added that one, stopped it, and then I'm going to go back and I'm going to add another one in the middle where my picture is. So you just hold it as long as you want it to last, pretty much. Then I stopped again and I went back to the other one and held that one until the end. Okay, and I was done with that. Now I'm gonna go in and add, like, I don't know what kind of effect this is. I guess it's like a stroke of something. It's just to put like sparkles and stuff. It's a touch effect, and it adds sparkles and everything to your video. It just make it look real nice and pretty and cool. So what I'm doing now is just drawing, and you just draw until you want it to stop, just like the other effect. So you just keep drawing until you want it to stop. Now I'm just gonna go in and add the text part. It's just the same as the other effects in the touch. You just add your letters or add your words, your phrases, and then add them to the video. And you'll see how to do that now. Here I'm just adding my Instagram information for everybody to follow me on Instagram, and that is Trina_the_Queen. And here is our video. So cute. So now you just want to click the arrow and save the video. I have the option to remove the watermark. That's only if you have the pro version, then you can remove your watermark from your video.
There will always be a place for you. Take pleasure in